Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get MBTI custom in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. There's a new little update in Heartopia, and in this update, you'll be able to take MBTI test to reveal your soul in Heartopia. You can get the test from here. Go to event and select discovery and choose the shape of you, and you'll be able to take the test, then see your MBTI type, and then you can see the costume here. For me, I got INTJ. Wait, let me show you the result. Okay, here I got INTJ. Okay, and this is the custom for INTJ. And we will get the custom from Dorothy's store, guys. But the custom will be random every day. It will be resetted daily. And let's see what costumes that available for today. Okay, I'm going to view it. Okay, for today, guys, we will get this custom. This is the custom for ISFJ, if I'm not mistaken, and this one as well. This is for ESFP, I guess. I don't know. So when you see the custom here that is suitable for your MBTI type, you can immediately buy it. But for now, there's no costume for my type because mine is INTJ. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the MBTI custom in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!